Hello friends! This week in grammar, we are going to first go over names and titles. So we know already that names of special people and places are proper nouns. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. We know a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. And proper nouns are a specific person, place, or thing. The abbreviations of titles before people's names begin with a capital letter and they end with a period. So on this side, you will see that you have a state and a country. So that's a specific place, both of these. So we know that we capitalize the beginning. Just like if I had Indiana, I would capitalize the beginning. But if I just had the word state, there is no capitalization because I'm not talking about a specific place or a state, just any state. So I need to make sure I capitalize those specific places. Then I have specific people. This one is Dr. Sando. So I know that I need to capitalize both. Doctor is abbreviated. So when I spell it out, I have D-O-C-T-O-R, but when I have it abbreviated, I just put capital D, the R, and a period. And then I capitalize his last name, Sando. Then I have Mrs. Oza. Mrs. is M-R-S, capital M, period. Just like if I said Mr., there was a Mr. Oza, I'd have M-R, period, Oza, capital M, and the capital O for the last name. So down below, you are going to rewrite the sentences, making sure that you capitalize your proper nouns. I am going to go through and underline the proper nouns for you. For example, number one is, a large power plant is in New York. New York is a state, so I need to capitalize that when I rewrite my sentence. A large power plant